Get ready, tech enthusiasts. Samsung is about to unveil its hotly anticipated Galaxy S24 on January 17th, and there's some buzz about exciting features, especially those revolving around artificial intelligence, AI. Apple, known for keeping its cards close to its chest, might want to pay attention here. Samsung's Galaxy S24 launch is set to showcase a bunch of AI-powered features, and that's a big deal. This puts Apple in a bit of a tricky spot because it's rumored that Apple's AI efforts are lagging behind tech giants like Microsoft and Google. With Samsung diving headfirst into the AI game, Apple finds itself in catch-up mode. Now, let's take a peek at what's rumored for the Galaxy S24. Keep in mind that these are just leaks, but they hint at AI playing a significant role in this flagship update. The leaked version of One UI 6.1 suggests potential AI features like AI-generated wallpapers, automatic sorting of notes into bullet points, and real-time in-app translation. There's even talk of a generative AI feature called Samsung Galaxy, promising email composition, document summaries, and generating images with text prompts directly on the phone. Photo editing on the Galaxy S24 might also get an AI boost, with rumors suggesting the ability to expand photo borders using generated backgrounds and resize or move subjects in photos, similar to Google's Pixel 8 Magic Editor. What's fascinating is that all these AI capabilities are expected to be available across all new Samsung phones, not just limited to high-end models. This approach differs from Apple's strategy, which often reserves advanced features for its Pro models. So, what are your thoughts on these AI developments? Share your insights in the comments, and stay tuned for more exciting tech updates. Until next time.